The referral system is a great way to incentivize and reward your customers to promote your business through our mobile couponing system. To start, you're going to go to the mobile tools section and click on mobile coupons. To use our referral system, you'll first have to create a coupon that you will want to be shared and used for referrals. That's going to be our 20% off coupon. Additionally, you may want to create a referral reward coupon if you're going to be using our redemption feature for that coupon as well. As you can see here, I've gone ahead and done so already. From here, we want to go to our 20% off coupon, which is the one we're going to be attaching our referral program to, and click on Edit. Here, we're going to go into the Referral Rewards section and click on Edit Referral Rewards. You'll see here you get a pop-up where you can go ahead and create your new reward. And here is where we'll actually create the settings for that referral program, and the first step will be to go ahead and name it. Then we will go ahead and select the time we'd like our message to be sent out at. With our referral reward, you can also determine whether you'd like a single tier or a multi-tiered system. For today's purposes, we're going to go ahead and set up a single tiered. Just make sure if you're going to set up a multi-tiered and you want to use those coupons, you're going to go ahead and create any additional coupons you may need. From there, you're going to determine if you would like your referral system to reset or not once the customer has actually met that goal. If you would like it to reset, you're going to check here. If you do not want it to reset, you will go ahead and click here. And then you'll determine the keyword that the text message will be sent from. Once you're satisfied with that, you're going to create your first reward message. The way our referral program works is the initial customer receives that coupon and then shares it with their friends and family. The referral system will only start counting those shared coupons once they've actually been redeemed in the business. Once you've determined how many coupons need to be redeemed, you'll go ahead and create your message. As I mentioned, we're going to go ahead and attach a coupon in this instance, but this is up to you. Once you're satisfied with this, you're going to go ahead and hit create. If for some reason you haven't created the coupon and you decide you want to, you can always come back in and edit the details of either section later. If you chose to go ahead and do a multi-tiered system, what you'll see here is you'll get an additional section that says Add Message Tier. Here is where you can start creating the additional tiers and the additional coupons that you may want. Simply, once you've created them, you'll go ahead and hit Add. And now you see you've got your different rewards staggered out accordingly. Once you're satisfied with this, you can go ahead and close your pop-up. Your referral program has now been attached to this coupon, and it is all set. From here is where you'll go ahead when you send out that message, you're going to use share tilde in your text message to make sure that not only does your customer receive the coupon, but now they have the capabilities to share them with that share link as well. Another great feature with the referral program is the View Referral Report. You can always come into the system and see how your customers are sharing those coupons, how many times they've been redeemed, issued, and so forth. These same share statistics will also appear on the customer's cell phone. To see what the customer is going to see, this is what will appear with that share feature attached to that coupon. The customer will be given the option to do a mobile share, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, or get a share link. To do a mobile share, it's very simple. They'll click that button. All they have to do is enter in their friend or family's phone number and hit send this coupon. If they are going to share on Facebook, Twitter, or use a share link, it's going to look slightly different. This is the way it'll appear in various formats depending on the different site being used. Essentially what will happen is the customers can see the deal, but in order for them to get the deal, they will have to go ahead and put in their own phone number, agree, and then click get this coupon. The coupon will then be issued to that customer so they can use it and redeem it in stores. From here, you are all set. Your customer will now be receiving the coupon and have the ability to share that while also enjoying the ability to get additional rewards.